Welcome to an exploration of high-end, sophisticated exterior design. Over the last few years, the concept of quiet luxury has completely taken over the design world. It's an aesthetic that whispers rather than shouts. It relies on impeccable tailoring, premium materials, and most importantly, a highly restrained, disciplined approach to color. But while we often see this applied to interior design and fashion, its most breathtaking application is actually found right outside your front door. Today, we are looking at how to achieve a quiet luxury atmosphere in your own residential landscaping. We are going to explore a very specific, modern color palette that instantly makes any property look established, expensive, and visually soothing. By strictly limiting your landscape colors to a refined triad of light creams, rich, dark browns, and varied earthy stones, you can elevate your yard from ordinary to masterful. Let's break down the elements of this incredibly curated golden hour aesthetic. The foundation of quiet luxury landscaping is a strict adherence to a specific color triad. We want to avoid chaotic, hypersaturated flower beds or disjointed, bright-colored mulches. Instead, we pull our palette directly from natural, architectural earth tones. This begins with the architecture itself. A smooth, light beige or cream-colored exterior wall acts as the perfect soothing canvas. It reflects the warm golden hour sunlight beautifully, giving the entire property a soft, inviting glow. Against this cream canvas, we introduce our second color, the stones. The hardscaping should consist of mixed earthy tones, subtle browns, tans, and cool grays. Finally, to prevent the cream and tan from looking washed out, we introduce sharp, deliberate moments of rich, dark brown. This dark brown acts as the structural eyeliner for the property. When these three elements, cream architecture, earthy stone, and dark brown accents, are combined under the warm light of late summer or early autumn, the result is a color palette that screams sophistication. Let's look closer at how that dark brown is utilized, because contrast is what gives quiet luxury its edge. In a meticulously manicured yard, dark brown is used strictly to define borders and ground the architecture. Notice the house. The dark brown accents are applied with absolute precision to the roof edge, the downspouts, and the baseboard trim along the foundation. Even the windows feature dark frames, turning them into sleek architectural mirrors that reflect the partly cloudy blue sky. This exact same dark brown is then carried out into the landscape to create continuity. The focal point of the yard, a large, oval-shaped garden bed, is defined by a raised border made of dark brown rectangular paving blocks set upright. This rigid, dark lip provides an incredibly sharp, satisfying boundary. It separates the vibrant, impeccably cut, bright green lawn from the interior of the bed. By using dark brown as an anchoring mechanism, the entire property feels locked in, deliberate, and undeniably custom. In a quiet luxury landscape, the pathway is never an afterthought. It is a sweeping, architectural feature that guides the eye and introduces subtle, expensive texture. A curved pathway sweeping around a central garden bed effortlessly breaks up the rigid geometry of the house and the perimeter walls. But the true luxury lies in the materiality. We use interlocking paving stones in those varied, earthy tones of brown, tan, and gray. This mixture creates a beautifully textured, mottled effect that hides wear and tear while looking incredibly high-end. To elevate the design even further, a distinct stripe of lighter tan stones is incorporated directly into the pattern, perfectly following the curve of the path. This isn't just a walkway, it's a piece of wayfinding art. The warm, golden hour sun hits these tan pavers, bringing out a rich, soothing warmth that perfectly complements the cool, smooth gray river rocks, filling the nearby garden beds. When your hardscaping and architectural colors are so highly disciplined, your softscaping, the plants, must follow suit. A quiet luxury yard abandons messy, overgrown cottage gardens in favor of sculptural, intentional greenery. The interior of our dark bordered garden bed is filled entirely with smooth gray pebbles. Against this Zen-like gray canvas, we introduce a uniform ring of small, perfectly spherical green shrubs. This repetition provides a soothing sense of order. Inside that ring, we curate distinct focal points. A slender, young, deciduous tree with a straight, bare trunk offers minimalist verticality. Beside it stands the crown jewel of the landscape, a highly stylized, cloud-pruned evergreen. Resembling a large Niwaki or bonsai-style pine tree, its distinct, layered pads of dark green needles serve as a living sculpture. When bordered by the stark, vibrant contrast of the bright green lawn, these carefully chosen plants add immense character and high net worth appeal to the property without ever feeling cluttered. Creating an expensive, quiet luxury atmosphere in your landscape is not about packing the yard with as many features as possible. It is an exercise in absolute restraint. By embracing a sophisticated color triad, relying on the high contrast of dark brown trims and borders, and curating your pathways and plantings with architectural precision, you can completely transform your home's exterior. You create a space that is visually soothing, deeply established, and effortlessly elegant. Bathed in the warm light of the golden hour, your yard becomes a masterclass in modern design. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of luxury landscaping.